Hi, I'm Evan Reinheimer. I'm on a boat 5 miles south of the Florida Keys out at the Alligator Reef Lighthouse behind me. I'm about to launch my kite into the air and use it to lift my camera to take a photograph of the lighthouse. Hey, so we're here in the Florida Keys today. We're taking a boat. Katie's with me here. Taking a boat out to, hopefully to Alligator Reef to photograph the lighthouse using my kite to lift the camera over the lighthouse there. Hopefully the sea conditions will be nice and calm for us getting out there. There's a nice breeze today, so that should obviously work in my favor for kite flying. I just hope that it's not too much where the water is super choppy or anything, but we'll find out as soon as we get out there. So, here we go. Okay, so we made it out to the Alligator Reef Light. It's a little bit choppier here today than I had hoped it would be, but I'm still going to try and get my kite in the air and get my camera up with it to photograph the lighthouse. The wind is about 10 miles an hour right now. I was hoping for a little bit more so it would just be easier to launch the kite into the air, because obviously more wind makes it easier to launch the kite, but this is a good steady breeze, so I think it'll be all right. But we're out here, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Okay, so I've got my 9-foot Levitation Delta in the air right now. And I've got the Sony A7R4 on the line with a 24mm lens. It's hard to tell how high it is in the air right now by feet, but I can see on my video monitor here that I've got it about to where the top of the lighthouse is, where it starts, where the black part starts on the lighthouse, which is just about where I wanted it. Left third of the frame. And I can tell on the video monitor here, I've got it framed up pretty well right now. And the wind is nice and steady, so the camera and the kite are really still in the air. The only thing that's making me a little uneasy right now is the choppiness of the water. That's why I'm sitting down, because I don't want to lose my balance while I'm flying the kite. So I hope this video gave you some insight into what went into taking my photograph of the Alligator Reef Lighthouse. So thank you for watching. If you don't already, please subscribe to my channel because it helps me grow here. If you're interested in purchasing it or seeing any of my other work, you can visit my website. Also, please remember to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And as always, thank you for watching.